I recently came across this product, Stealth Hood Lock by Lasfit. It's the most OEM product that I know of on the market. Once it's installed, you don't even know it's there, and it uses your key fob to lock and unlock your hood. Some of you might have expensive air compressors, switch pros mounted under your hood, but we all have expensive batteries that are easily accessible. So today, I will show you the installation process and give you my overall opinion of this product. And here's everything that comes with the kit. My overall impression seems very high quality. The first thing you want to do is remove the 6 pins holding the grill in the front of your Jeep. So once the 6 pins are removed, the next step is to remove the grill. I don't have access to pull the bottom of the grill forward because of how tight my wiring is with my winch. So I am just going to flex the grill forward because all I need is access to these two 30 torques. So let's get those undone. The hoses are clearly marked. White goes to white, and the black hose goes to the black side. Here, I'm just using a long zip tie to help me feed this air hose to the front of the grill. I don't know how many times I've used this same zip tie for the same purpose, but they definitely come in handy. So I removed the 10 mil there holding the washer fluid reservoir so I could get my hand in there to grab the firewall plug and pull it out. I drilled 2 1/4 inch holes in the firewall plug. Now it's time to reinsert the firewall plug after the hoses are routed into the interior of the Jeep. This nut that came with the kit has some double-sided tape. All right, now you're going to attach the controller to the bracket with 2 small bolts. All right, now we're gonna loosen this 8mm down here. Don't take it out all the way, just loosen it. And this part of the bracket will slide over that 8mm. And this hole here will be installed right here. Get some wrenches to tighten that. Now we'll tighten this one up only, and we'll leave the 8mm loose. So this is going to slide over that 8mm, and once it's slid over, you need to get your wrench, and I highly recommend a ratcheting box wrench because it's going to be tight to get in there. All right, we're almost here. 4 wires will hook up. CAN bus over to the passenger side. Route this one to the passenger side. Now it's time to hook up the 2 air hoses. Again, white to white.
Making noise at me, I'm not sure why. That's not in the instructions. Alright, let's zip tie this wires up. Alright, I just stuck a long zip tie across the middle. And I will tape this connection to it and pull it through. Alright, let's cut all these zip ties after it's all cleaned up. Reinstall. This side's done. All right, let's take the glove box out. Little lever here, you just pull up, falls out, and then it comes out like that. Then here's the CAN bus. And this wire here will hook up to any one of these slots. Let's get that done. All right, we'll plug this into one of these slots. And we'll just zip tie this out of the way. That's probably good enough. All right, let's get the glove box back in. All right, glove box slides in, goes past there, and reconnect the arm. I can see. Blinded. Can't see anything. There it is.
And the last thing I need to do is cycle the ignition a couple times so that the controller can communicate with the Jeep. So all you have to do is turn the engine on for 1 minute. And after that, turn the engine off and just turn the engine to run. Turn it off and we're good to go. Let's check it out.
Here's the vehicle unlocked. Access to steal what you want. And the vehicle locked. No access. Let's take a look. Locked. Unlocked.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope the video was very informative. For me, this product is going to work out well for my build. Give me a peace of mind knowing that anything under my hood is now safe and secure. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this one. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the trail.